Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can disable two-factor authentication on your Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, open up your Facebook app. Then at the bottom, on the right side, click on the menu. At the top, click on the gear to go to your phone settings. And then go to the Meta Account Center. Now here, click on Password and Security. Next is two-factor authentication. And then select Facebook page. And now you'll be taken to a page like this. Before you go to that page, you'll need to enter your two-factor authentication password that comes to you via text message, or you're in a special two-factor authentication app. When you get to this page, you will need to select the method you will use for two-factor authentication. And then simply disable it, and then confirm your action. And that's it. In this simple way, you will be able to disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. But I must warn you that this will increase the possibility of hacking your Facebook page, also reduce its security. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.